is good, YouTube? It's your boy Israel from FVS, Future Visible Stoicism, man. I know what y'all thinking, man. I've been gone for 2 days, but your boy's back in office, back with the videos, back with the energy. I just had to take some time off and really focus on myself and really develop myself and hone in on this craft that I'm trying to help men improve and hone in on helping y'all get y'all finances together, get your dating life together, get your money together, getting it all together. Real talk. I'm training a client this Thursday, helping this man get his life together. I'm here to make men great again in 2020. Now let's talk about semen retention, fellas. Let's talk about semen retention and eye contact. First of all, if you are ever dealing with a woman, you want to make eye contact with her. Excuse me, sorry. I just ate a salad. Ate pretty good. Ate a salad, ate a whole wheat bagel. Just got done with a great ass workout, man. Anyway, when you're dealing with a female, you always want to make eye contact with her. Not being creepy and just staring at her soul, but when she looks at you, because you'll know when a woman is looking at you while you're talking to her, look at her and don't look away first. Always look at her. If you look away first, instantly, subconsciously on her mind, and psychologically speaking, that sends off signals to a woman on their subconscious brain that this man is a beta, this man isn't weak, I can't reproduce with this man, I can't sleep with this man, I can't make children with this man, and he is a weaker value of me. That's real talk. So my point is, whenever you are talking to a woman, always make eye contact. Never be afraid to make eye contact with a woman, especially if you're on semen retention, because that's how you gauge people with your aura. That's how you gauge people with your energy. That's how you gauge people with your life force. That's how people feel you. When you're on semen retention, your eyes and the power of your seed from the heavens above and God that was bestowed in you and the universe within you, it can influence people to do things. It can change people. It can lead people. So when you are on retention, never be scared to make eye contact. If anything, use it to your advantage. Not for evil purposes, not for bad purposes, no, but for good purposes. Never be afraid to make eye contact with a woman, especially if y'all are having a conversation, especially if you're trying to flirt with her, especially if you have any attraction towards her, because that eye contact shows that, hey, he is a strong male and I'm attracted to him subconsciously. I know it sounds blunt, I know it sounds simple, but this is how women work, this is how women function, guys. You need to understand this. So I'll say it once again, never be afraid to look a woman in the eyes while y'all are talking. It doesn't matter how soft the conversation is, if y'all are laughing about the conversation, if y'all are serious about the conversation, always make eye contact with the woman. It's not hard. You want to know why you can't make eye contact? Real talk. It's because you're releasing your seed all the time. You're anxious, you're scared. That person's energy and that person's looks and that person's aura scares you and it intimidates you and you can't handle it. So how do you handle it? Stop masturbating, stop watching porn, stop releasing your seed, go to the gym, start exercising, better yourself, read some books, raise your vibration as a man. Real talk. Making eye contact with the woman shows dominance. Making eye contact with the woman sends off subconscious signals that I should reproduce with him and I need to perceive him attractive in any way or form. Making eye contact with a woman shows you're a leader. Making eye contact with a woman can turn her on. Did you even know that? No, women love eye contact. All the women I have dealt with in my entire life, gentlemen, they all tell me the same thing. And I ask them, just for the channel, I ask them, do you like it when a guy makes eye contact with you? And I look them in the eyes while I'm saying my words. And they always hit me with that, yes. And it's the blush, it's the subtle smile. It excites them, it arouses them. So, it's your boy Israel from FVS, Future Visible Stoicism, man. Always make eye contact with a woman, especially if you are on semen retention. Holla back at your boy. Peace.